How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to restore and back up your messages on WhatsApp using your Android device. Now, just a quick and important reminder that make sure your WhatsApp application is updated for it to work properly and to avoid some glitches. Now let's head on to WhatsApp. Now once you're in WhatsApp, go to these three dotted lines right here and go to settings. Now once you're in settings, go to chats right here and scroll down and go to chat backup right here. Now make sure your Google account is connected to WhatsApp, and if you don't have a Google account connected to WhatsApp, just click on add account right here. And just log in to your Google account and it will automatically link or connect to your WhatsApp. Now once you've done that, just click on backup right here to start backing up your messages. So as you can see, it is already processing. So as you can see, your last backup was 12:28 a.m. and this is the time right now here. So after you've done it, all your messages should be present right here. So personally, I don't really use WhatsApp, so I don't have some messages. So once you've done that, all your messages will just show or pop up right here after you've done the backup. So that's it for this video, everyone, and if you find it helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!